we're going to look at how I would start data engineering if I was starting from scratch in 2026. And there are a couple of things to master. There are so many myths out here, and I would like to make them simpler. And so first things first, you need to get your hands on Python. So Python is what you use for data manipulation and creating pipelines. So you really need to master it. Well, not necessarily to master it, but understand how it works, understand to do data manipulation with it, and creating ETLs and ELT pipelines. That's the extract, load, transform, and extract, transform, load. The next is SQL. So SQL is king of data engineering. You will never fail to use it as a data engineer. You use it quite often, and there are levels to SQL that we'll be talking in the next video. And so you need to master or understand OLTP and OLAP systems. So OLTP is the databases, that's the MySQL, the PostgreSQL, the SQL Server Management Studio. And then you have the OLAP, this is the data warehouses, that's the Snowflakes, the Redshift. So you need to understand how they work and when to use either. And in this, you need to master data modeling. And in this, we have the star schema and the Snowflake schema, how to build each and how to do data modeling. And so the next thing you're going to look is data orchestration. And I would like to advise you not to master Airflow, not to master Darkstar, but master data orchestration. There are so many tools out there. If you decide to master all of them, it will take you forever. So in cloud now, we have tools in cloud that you really don't need even to use, open source tools and all that. So master data orchestration. The other one will be cloud. So understand cloud computing, and in this case there is AWS, Azure, and GCP. There are others out there, but these are the most in demand. So my advice is learn one good one and apply the principles in other pipelines. Start with AWS. I started with it, and if I would go back, no matter how the market has changed to Azure, I'll still follow AWS roadmap and then move to Azure. And there are over 170 tools or services in AWS. You don't need to master all, you just need to master the database, the data warehouse, the NoSQL, and then there's the data pipeline one, that's Glue, and then there's security. So the other one will be handling big data, and in this case you have Spark. So understand how Spark works, understand distributed computing. There's Hadoop, now there's Spark. So understand distributed computing, how it works. And then I will try to understand system design and how to build pipelines, how to optimize them. So that's a good first start. You can move on to other complex ones like streaming of data. That's where you use Spark and Flink. But I would say with that, you are good to go and start engineering. There are so many free resources out here. You can